Are you looking for a space to grow or finally slow down? Pals Hillside Estate was built for both. This beautifully crafted family home is set across 2 levels and spans over 4,000 square feet of living space, designed for comfort, style and investment potential. Step inside the upper level where you'll find vaulted ceilings and a spacious open-plan kitchen and living room. This kitchen has beautiful granite work surfaces. This home features 3 spacious bedrooms. One is this luxurious master suite, which has a walk-in wardrobe and an ensuite bathroom. 2 additional bedrooms offer built-in wardrobes and share a beautifully appointed bathroom. Enjoy your morning cup of coffee or maybe a glass of wine from this covered balcony and enjoy the panoramic views and the cooling Caribbean breezes. Outside, you can lounge by your saltwater swimming pool, which is beautifully framed by this natural rock-retaining wall. The poolside dining area, complete with barbecue, is the perfect entertaining space or have some quiet relaxation. What a great use of space. This studio is located on the lower level of the property and has a private entrance, built-in kitchen, your bedroom and an ensuite bathroom. With its separate entrance, laundry area and a private outside space, this is perfect for guests or tenants. This home combines comfort and practicality with solar water heating, a solar pool pump, hurricane impact windows and doors and a fully secure gated entry with cameras. A large garage and paved driveway complete the package.